Now, it's now or never for the 4 teams in the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League following their first leg semi-final matches. But 4 into 2 can't do, so 2 must give way for the others to progress. That will be decided on Sunday with semi-final 2 at Sabina Park.
Title holders Mount Pleasant will have their faith tested early as they will be first in action against the dangerous Waterhouse. Mount Pleasant had some nervy moments in the first leg, but survived to grow within the match to leave the park with a draw. But to whom much is given, much is expected, and this could add the extra pressure on the St. Anne-based team to deliver.
I don't see it as a pressure. I think the team, the staff, we know objective. We set out from August for this task, and we are here now, so we're looking forward to it.
Waterhouse had their moments to put away the contest. They even took the lead before giving up the advantage. It's also a touch and go for 2 players. The informed striker Javane Bryan suffered a shoulder injury in the first leg, while Andre Fletcher did not feature through injury. Now both will be assessed on Sunday. But Coach Marcel Gale knows how valuable it is to have his talisman who has scored in every leg of the playoffs so far.
He's hungry, and he'll live for these moments. As I can say, first in Premier League, he's like a veteran in the league for over some years. But sky's the limit for this kid. Just keep work hard, and just apply himself, and good things will come for him.
It's never easy calling a game between Arnett Gardens and Cavalier. They both have the playoff mentality to rise to the occasion. But having seen each other 3 times already this season, Cavaliers coach Rudolph Speed believes his team can get the job done.
Well, it's a team that give our best, especially when it comes to the second round. Arnett Gardens is a good team. They have quality attackers. But we have seen what they have to offer, and I think we'll make a couple of adjustments and see what happens.
Arnett haven't beaten Cavalier this season, but midfielder Shavani Willis says there's no better time than now.
It's a semi-final. To beat them, we are in the final, and that's the aim, what we want right now, to go in the final, to go and win so we can get the community happy, and we have a target that we want to complete. So yeah, hopefully we can get this victory on Sunday.
The first game will see Waterhouse up against Mount Pleasant at 5 p.m. and 3 hours later Cavalier play Arnett Gardens. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.